Hi, my name is Mary Barnard. I am an agent with Farmers Insurance in San Jose, California. I've always had frustration especially with unit owners coverage in the CEA, because these boards and these unit owners with the homeowner associations would always ask me, can you explain this or what do I need? And it was hard to explain the CEA because the cost versus what they got it just didn't do very much. And now that there's this program, Modus, it's great. It allows a unit owner to buy more coverage, better coverage for less money. And it allows the association to provide unit owners this opportunity to buy insurance when some of them feel like the earthquake's going to happen tomorrow and many others feel like it's never happening. Oh, it's absolutely a win-win. Living in California, everyone says there's going to be an earthquake. Nobody knows when, where, who. And we don't know the degrees, but for this much money, you can protect yourself, protect your assets. And when you're in an association, you want to protect each other. More than anything, I just believe in insurance. And when you look at the cost versus the risk, and if somebody really wants it, we should find a way to deliver a product that makes sense, not a product that you're spend a lot of money on and not get anything at the end. And if you can be prepared with good choices, you work real hard, why do you not want to protect that? And offering this product to those associations protects the board and offers a great product to these unit owners so they want to protect their assets or protect the money they have in the bank. Because when the loss happens, it's either going to come from your insurance or come from your bank account. So one of the main questions we get when we are asked about the Modus product and the carriers and will they still be here if there's a loss? Will they be able to pay the claims? When you talk about the companies that back this product, the carriers that Modus works with are financially strong. They have reinsurance. They are A-rated carriers. They're admitted carriers. They're already writing earthquake in California. Most of the market is written with these carriers. They know what they're doing, and it's going to increase the ability of the association to rebuild much, much faster. So I absolutely believe that associations that don't have a master policy should offer Modus to all of their unit owners. It's crazy not to. It's definitely an issue in California. It's definitely on the minds of many unit owners. And it's very easy for the board to obtain a proposal and offer it to all the unit owners. They can say yes, they can say no.